Hi everyone, my name is Elpini Ramli. I'm a lactation educator and a lactation counselor. Young baby swallow air while feeding and may need to be burped. The American Academic Pediatric recommend burping your baby during feeding, breaks, and when he's done eating. For breastfeeding mom, try burping before switching breasts. For a bottle feeding baby, the AAP recommend burping about halfway of the bottle. There's no definitive age to stop burping your baby, but as your little bundle gets older and his digestive system become more mature, burping will become less of a necessity. You'll likely see this change around 4 to 6 months. 3 ways to burp your baby. Over the shoulder. First, what you need to do is protect your shoulder and your chest with a cloth or burping towel. Okay, so what you need to do now, you just bring the baby to your chest. Okay, just pull the shoulder firmly, hold the lower buttock, bring the baby toward your chest. You just need to make sure that the face is freely breathing. Okay, so what you need to do next is just pat or rub your baby. From this position, you also can change into the over the shoulder. So in this position, what you need to do is just put your hand underneath your baby armpit. Bring the baby over the shoulder. Just adjust the hand. Just make sure that the baby's chest and the baby's tummy rest on your shoulder. So what you need to do next is just pat or rub the baby. Second position, sitting burp. So what you need to do is you just put the burping clothes on your lap. Bring the baby over your another lap. You just hold the baby jaw. Support the baby's shoulder and back. Just bring the baby forwards. Okay, in this position, you need to make sure that you support the baby's face and jaw, not the baby's neck and throat. Lean the baby forward. In this position, you might feel that the baby's weight is partially on your hand and not at the baby's backbone. What you need to do is just pat or rub the baby. Okay, or pat and rubbing. Now, the third position, a belly burp. So what you need to do is just place a birth cloth on your lap. Bring the baby towards you. Support the baby's chest and shoulder. Hold the baby's buttock and let the babies lie upside. Make the baby lie on your lap. Okay, you just turn the baby's head. You just turn the baby head towards you so that you can see your baby's face. Okay. In this position, what you need to do is just pat and rub your baby. Pat and rub the baby. So, if there's no burp, so don't worry. Just try a different position. Some baby need to be burped. Others, not so much. So you just try to do the burping for 1 to 5 minutes. If there's no burp come out, you just continue let the baby sleep or let the babies continue the feeding again.